again, and thank you again for joining me. So now we're gonna speak about how do we actually find products to sell. And to understand what products can sell, I taught you how the buyer is looking for products. But now it's the interesting part, like how do we find products to sell? Now to get there, to find products to sell, you first need to understand what kind of drop shipping there is. So you want to understand who is your audience and concentrate in one kind of drop shipping. And why do we do that? Because it will be easier for you to solve customer support problem, to make the purchases, to be specialized in your market. Now, the drop shipping types there is, it's USA drop shipping, UK dropshipping, Australia dropshipping, China dropshipping, and actually any other location, but those are the most famous. When I say USA dropshipping, I'm speaking about those famous websites, the known websites that will also provide very fast delivery to our buyers, and will also give a good return policy if we have any problem with our product or the buyer is unhappy, so we can always return the product. And the better our supplier is, the better customer support and the better service we will give to our customer. So we're like the middleman, of course. We're the dropshippers. So a famous website for USA dropshipping is Amazon.com. It is Walmart. It is Best & Beyond, Office Depot, and plenty more of websites. You can find a huge list of known websites on Google and on SKU Grid also. We'll speak about it later. The UK dropshipping. No, well, let's speak first. Why would we do dropshipping in the USA? Dropshipping in the USA, usually you can upload products and fulfill orders automatically with softwares, and because of that you have higher competition, but usually it's the easiest because you don't really need to work hard to post those products. You just need to do some marketing to win the market, and of course we will discuss how to do it efficiently and good to win with any product in the market. And that's about the USA dropshipping. It's a pretty high competition, but very good customer support, happy customers, and you can grow your eBay account very quick. It's kind of the same for UK dropshipping. It's the same. It's also you can also do dropshipping from UK Amazon, Amazon.uk. Like there is an Amazon.com, Amazon UK, and there is some other stores, big stores, like Walmart and Office Depot that you can find for UK. And for Australia, it's just about finding some websites like again Home Depot and Office Depot for Australia. For UK, you do have automated softwares. For Australia, only very few, and also for China, it's very few softwares that you can use. So we're jumping to softwares and monitors and tools. So about dropshipping, all you need to know that there is different kind of dropshipping, and you better concentrate on the audience that you're looking for, either USA, UK, or Australia. China dropshipping, it's international. You can do to all over the world. With China, the problem is that the customer support you can give your customer is not that good, and the shipping takes a lot of time. But the good thing with the China dropshipping is you can find a lot of products. Sometimes the competition is not that high, and you can ship internationally all over the world, and like that maybe you can increase your potential to sell the products. So it really depends. Everyone can choose on a different dropshipping type. I like the USA and UK, and sometimes I also do the China dropshipping. Okay, so after we spoke about the dropshipping types, let's speak about the software tools. Okay, and by software tools, there is several kind of tools and apps that you can use on your eBay account to make your life easier. And the first one is the lister tool, which you can use to list products very quick with a click of a button sometimes on your eBay account. And there is a monitor, research products, and dropshipping analyst. So let's start with the lister. What does it mean actually, a lister? So like I said, you find a product on AliExpress or you find a product on Amazon that you want to post. You just give this link on the lister website and it will automatically put it on your eBay account. Now before it automatically put there, you can also do some adjustments for the item title, for the description, which we will speak about very soon, or I think maybe on the next video. So that's the lister. Now what is the monitor? What does the monitor mean? Let's say we posted a product from Amazon to eBay, okay? And for that I prepared here an example. Let's find Microsoft micro SD card. Okay, every product on eBay has a unique item number for your specific product. On Amazon, every product have like an item number. It's called the ASIN, and this is the unique number that you for this specific product. So if you used, let's say, HydraLister, which is a software to list products on your eBay account, you used HydraLister to list this product on your eBay account, the monitor, what it does, it like synchronize between your source link to your eBay account. If the price changes, if the product no longer available, yeah, that's about it. If the product's no longer available or the price changes, your monitor will automatically change the price or stop selling it on your eBay account. That's about the monitor. You usually use it for Amazon and Walmart, for USA dropshipping and UK dropshipping and Australia dropshipping. For AliExpress and China dropshipping, you don't really use it much because if one supplier doesn't have it, you can almost always find it from another supplier. On Amazon, it's not the case. If the price rises on Amazon, it's probably also raised on Walmart or any other website if it even exists there anymore. So that's about the monitor. So for those three dropshipping, you always need to use a monitor. It's always better to. Now, what does the research products means? For researching products, actually it combined with the Droppers analytics. So research products and Droppers analytics is, there is softwares like Terapeak and Zik Analytics and Title Builder that tells you how much market or how many searches there is for every item, for every keyword. Let's say we want to sell this example, this SanDisk Ultra 64 gigabytes micro SD card, and you want to post it on your eBay account. You can use the item title builder to know which item titles are the strongest. Which item title, keywords, gets the most research, the most searches, the most views. Because every item title used by different people and have a different amount of audience. Maybe a lot of people call it flash drive. You see, it doesn't even say a flash drive because probably not a lot of people using flash drive. On eBay, you have a limited amount, and also on Amazon, limited amount of keywords you can use on your item title. And this is very important. Using it efficiently to maximize your potential to sell your product. And you can do that with Title Builder. So this is one of the examples for research tools. And on Terapeak and Zik Analytics, you can actually see what kind of item titles did succeed and sold this product. You can find what other people done that helped, that did worked and sold those products. A third tool, it's a different tool. It calls Fizz Delister. What it does actually tells you what products didn't sell for a long time. So what I do usually is just I list a lot of products and I combine it with a Fizz Delister, and like that I will also always refresh my inventory. So if I did post a product and I didn't do a good job and it didn't work, I will just remove it, or I will try to revise it, and I will keep on posting new products. Okay, so basically how to find a product to sell. To do that, you first need to decide what kind of drop shipping you want, who's your audience. And then basically I'm gonna teach you how to sell every product. Every product that people looking for, I will teach you how to sell it. So you first need to decide on the niche you want to work with. And I suggest that you go with something you like, with a hobby, because it will be easiest for you to master it and be professional on it, understand everything in it. So I suggest you start with a niche you like. Maybe it can be toys, it can be gadgets, cellular, whatever you have in your mind. A niche that you like, maybe fashion, and go from there. You can just start your research from there. For example, if we want to start selling on Amazon dropshipping, USA dropshipping, then in my case I will look for a computer. Let's say the Alienware. You see, because I like computers, then it's easier for me to think of brands and products to dropship. And of course, I'll go for those. I will start my research from here. And I want to speak with you about one strategy. It is quantity versus quality. So when you do dropshipping, you can do it in two ways. When we looking for products to sell, we can do it in two ways. We can just find products that we want to sell and start publishing them, posting them on eBay. But in this way, maybe you save some time when you post those products, because you don't really make any research, you don't check how much they go for on eBay. You just post them online, you just post them for sale. It's good because, okay, you get some products to sell now, you maybe you get some chances to sell, but even if you sold the product, maybe you could sell it for more money and get some better profit from it. Or maybe you couldn't really sell it. Maybe the potential was very low and you should have tried another strategy. So that's what I mean by quality. I'll teach you on the next lesson, on the next video, how you can win the market with any product. And it takes a little bit time. You need to make a research for that. And that's why it's a little bit time consuming. But when you upload a product and you work for quality, you bring a high quality product on eBay, your potential to sell it will raise dramatically. And maybe it's more time consuming to spend time on the product, on the research, but it's better than spending time on just posting products. Because even if in the same time you could publish 10 or 15 products on eBay, the potential to sell this one product will be higher. So I will always say a balance between the two. I will go mainly on quality products, but I will also drop some products without any research just to try. So I'll go for every 5 like bulk listing to researching at least one quality product. Okay, so at this point you're supposed to have already a niche that you want to go with and decide, like, it doesn't really matter what kind of dropshipping, they all work, and decide like what audience do you want to work with, what kind of dropshipping do you want to do. And the last thing is check the competitors, dropshippers and sellers, and how to recognize a dropshipper. The reason I explain it already here because that's a great way on how to find products to sell. You can find products to sell based on other drop shippers, what they sell, what they post on their store, and how they work. So let me show you how I find a dropshipper. Let's say I already have this example. So let's go on ebay.com, and the way I find other dropshippers is I will take this product, Alienware 15. I will use the minimum keywords like I taught you on the previous lesson. Minimum keywords will give me the widest audience. So Alienware 15, touchscreen, i7. Okay, so I will go for i7, 16 gigabyte with 256 SSD. Okay, there we go. How much it goes for? Okay, maybe we have just a model here. Okay, with computers it's a bit harder because you have so many varieties of specs. Let's see if I can find a model. If I can't find a model, I'll just find a search for another product. Okay, there we go. This model. Okay, so like you see, this guy is even cheaper than on eBay. It's a refurbished, and we're looking for a brand new one. Let's check this guy. Yes, this guy might be an Amazon dropshipper. See the price, he even sold one. You see, he sold one for 1,500. Oh. Okay, let's check this guy. Okay, he's not an Amazon dropshipper. Maybe he is an Amazon dropshipper, but he combines. Why? Because on Amazon, every image must have a white background. You don't see it in this case. You see, it doesn't have the white background on this main image. Same on this one. So he's not an Amazon dropshipper, but just by going into this seller and because we know he sold one product for much higher than the market, we can step into his store, check what he sold. We can go through the feedbacks. It says, yeah, he received 60 positive feedbacks this month, and we can check the products he sold and managed to sell within the last month, and then check the potential, like if we can sell them. For example, oh, this is the product we just, no, it's another one. It's the 15 inches, i7, it's a slightly different model. And let's check the model right here. This is the model, and I'm going on Amazon. Again, you see it goes for 1,100, nearly 1,200, and here it goes for 1,500, and just sold recently. So here is another potential, product potential. I sold it as a best price, but yet we see the potential. Either way, if you do China dropshipping, okay, on China dropshipping you can learn much more. Let's say I'm looking for tablets, right? Or let's check for something easier, toy. Let's check this one. Minimum keywords as I can. Okay, there we go. You can see it goes here for $160. Oh, this one even sell it for less. So, oh no, it's another strategy. You see $85 plus $60 shipping. So it's 140. But it's probably Chinese. You see ships from China, and he also a Chinese. Yep, he's not a dropshipper. He is from China. He owns the stock probably. The easiest way to find new dropshippers is find people who sell it for a lot, for expensive, like this guy. Sell it for 182, Let me check if he is a dropshipper. No, he's also based in China. I will scroll down, not to the top results. Yep. Oh, this guy is from United Kingdom. He also owned the product in the United Kingdom. And that's how I do the research. I didn't find on this product, I can step to the next product like this one. And let's check this model. And I can open multiple tabs simultaneously. I'll check the more expensive one to find dropshippers. Okay, they're all from China. Let's check this product. Okay, let's check the more expensive one. Oh, like this one from Malaysia. So this guy is also from Malaysia. I'm trying to find a dropshipper. Once we find a dropshipper, it's pretty easy because you just check his other products. Oh, there we go. This guy is from the Vietnam and he ships from Hong Kong. Okay, ships from Hong Kong and he's from Vietnam. Now, just by this product, I can check his other products and I can find plenty more potential products to sell. They all can be winner products. And the easiest way I can check what he has watchers, only very few views, like this one, a lot of watchers, a lot of watchers, a lot of watchers, a lot of watchers, only one left, watchers, watchers, and look, one sold over here. We can find it probably on AliExpress. No solds yet, but the potential is high. A lot of watchers, also here, a lot of watchers, here, 4 solds on this one. 4 sold, and this one also sold right here, and the potential is crazy. And this is how I can snipe this dropshipper, and from those good products to sell, I can find some. When I'm making my research, I can find more and more and more dropshippers. So that's how it works. On Amazon, it's a little bit harder to find dropshippers. But once you understand it, like the white background, the description is the same, you can start your research from there, and you can also use those tools. There is tools to analyze dropshippers, and you can find their top selling products and go from there. So that's it about how to find a product. This is how you can find a product. And the more interesting part will be how do I market and how do I win the market with my product or with any product. And it will be on the next lesson. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it was efficient and useful for you.